Don't just sell a $50 service, sell high-ticket job servicing package instead. Let me show you exactly how you can do it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May, and on this channel I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create a massive online income. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. If you're not making at least 4 figures a month doing job servicing, then you need to watch today's video because I'll be sharing how you can turn a $50 deal into a $1,200 job servicing deal. This is a pricing strategy that I use on my job servicing business, and this is by far the best way to achieve a higher revenue. I wish I knew this when I first started job servicing, because with this strategy, I was able to achieve a higher income without the need to keep on hunting for new clients for my low ticket items. This means that you only need to work with a few clients to achieve 5K months. Plus, you'll be able to get monthly recurring income from the same client from retainer packages. This pricing strategy includes upselling and cross-selling services. And for today's case study, I'm going to use one of the high demand service that I've recently talked about in my recent videos. If you have not watched that, I will leave a link up in the cards here. So make sure that you watch that first to have a better understanding of what that service is about. The trending service that I was referring to is to repurpose long-form videos like YouTube or podcast videos into short clips like TikTok, Instagram Reels, as well as YouTube Shorts. Now let me demonstrate to you step by step on how you can turn a $50 service into a $1,200 package. Now let's start with a basic package of $50. So for $50 of content repurposing service, what your client is getting is just a very basic repurposing of the video. So you will need to include in only run revision and also 30 seconds video. If your client need a longer video, then you can charge $100 and you can promote to your client an advanced package whereby the client is able to get subtitles as well as 3 revisions. So this is the very first upsell, and you are able to get $100 for this upsell. For the next upsell, you can ask the client if they want to repurpose the long form videos to more platforms. For example, if your client is having Instagram and YouTube, probably they would want to also repurpose the long form video into Instagram Reels as well as the YouTube Shorts. With this additional upsell, you are going to charge $150. With this package, you can include in some captions as well as hashtags. This is a very good way for you to convince the client to upsell to a $150 package. Since most of these clients are YouTubers and they upload their videos on a very consistent basis, most of them is minimally 1 video per week, so you can upsell another package, which is the 1-month package of 4 videos. Most of the months have 4 weeks, so you can craft out a package of 4 videos, and you can price it at $500, which gives your client a $100 savings. So you can convince your client by giving this irresistible offer to your client. Since your client is going to have a regular content and regular repurposing service, your client do not need to pay each time $150. So instead, they buy a bundle at $500 instead of $600, because $150 times 4, your client needs to pay $600. If they take up a 1-month package from you, they are going to have $100 of savings. Now, based on this 1-month package of $500, you can now craft another package, which is a 3 months retainer package. For 3 months retainer package, your client is going to enjoy further discounts, and with that, you can charge $1,200, and the total savings is going to be $300. As usual, you're going to throw in some additional freebies like provide more revisions or additional motion graphics to sweeten the deal. Now, this package is just one of the examples, and the items are not fixed. Feel free to change the items accordingly. Most importantly is to understand your client and see what are their usual needs. If you understand the client more, you'll be able to design an ideal package for your client. That is exactly how you are able to make a value for money service package for your client. This way, you'll be able to retain your client, and hence the name retainer package. This pricing strategy is one of the top factors to a successful job servicing business. Of course, there are other important factors that plays a part as well. If you want to know how to create a highly profitable and sustainable job servicing business, make sure you watch my other job servicing videos over here as well. I hope you have learned something valuable from my video today. If you have any questions, do leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!